we are discussing about the acid, base and pH scale, which are very important topics in your course. Now we are discussing about the topic like salt, sodium hydroxide compound, sodium carbonate and their properties and uses. So student, first we move to the salt topic. Salt. What are salts? Salts are the compound formed when the acid reacts with base. सॉल्ट वो कंपाउंड होते हैं जब एसिड और बेस रिएक्ट करते हैं तो सॉल्ट फॉर्म होते हैं, जिनमें जो कैटोनिक पार्ट होता है वो बेस से आता है एंड द एनोनिक पार्ट कम्स फ्रॉम द एसिड। कैटोनिक पार्ट प्लस वाला comes from base and anonic part, negative part, comes from acid. For example, H2SO4 is an acid, NaOH is a base, then an acid and base react, then Na2SO4 and water is formed. So in this reaction, all of you must clearly understand that when acid and a base react, then salt and sodium sulfate is formed, and when such type of a reaction in which acid and base react to form salt and water, then such reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So I think student that all of you must clearly understand the topic salt. Now come to another topic, compounds. First compound is sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, caustic soda. It is prepared commercially by electrolysis of saturated brine solution, that is NaCl. Solution of NaCl is known as brine solution, which is saturated and whose electrolysis is done. Then this process is known as chlor-alkali process, because in this reaction chlor, that is chlorine, is formed and alkali, that is NaOH, is formed. So in this reaction Na2NaCl plus 2H2O gives NaOH H2O plus Cl2. This NaOH is also known as caustic soda, whose formula is NaOH. Sodium and OH ion combines together to form NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide or caustic soda. Now another compound is sodium carbonate, whose formula is Na2CO3.10H2O and whose another name is washing soda, and the complete name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca comes for 10. So first of all we are discussing about the preparation of it. What is the preparation? Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives Na2CO3 plus dot 10H2O, that is sodium carbonate decahydrate. This 0.10H2O is known as water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. Then when a water of crystallization is attached with the main salt, then the salt becomes wet. They gain the moisture. So this 10H2O is known as water of crystallization. For other example of water of crystallization is CuSO4, 0.5H2O, FeSO4, 0.7H2O. Now come to the property part. It is transparent crystalline solid. First property, crystalline solid. Second property, dissolve in water to form alkaline solution. When washing soda or Na2CO3 is dissolved with water, then NaOH, which is an alkali, and H2CO3 is formed. Now come to the another property. When it reacts with acid, then CO2 gas is released. Then what is the reaction? Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives 2NaCl plus H2O and CO2. This carbon dioxide gas is released. And when another property is when CO2 gas is passed in it, then sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, is formed. So students, this reaction is very much important, because in there is a conversion of washing soda to baking soda. So for that, Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O gives NaHCO3, that is baking soda. So I think student, all of you must clearly So for compound, three things are important: preparation, properties and uses. Now come to the another important topic, that is alkali. So what the question arises is that what are alkalis? Those bases which are soluble in water are known as alkali. For example, NaOH and KOH. So alkalis are formed. So student, I think that all of you must clearly understand these topics. Note it down in your fair copy of chemistry, and if you have any query, then contact me on my WhatsApp. And student, please learn all the